A soft, fragrant cake rooted in authentic Iranian culinary heritage. This saffron and cardamom cake has a light, fluffy, cotton-soft texture, which every bite reflects the elegance and depth of Persian cuisine. We start by preparing the saffron, the heart of this recipe. Grind a small amount of high-quality saffron threads with a little sugar until finely powdered. Transfer the saffron powder into a small cup. Add a little boiling water, cover it, and let it bloom for about 15 minutes. Measuring the cake ingredients: 160 grams milk, 390 grams sugar, 330 grams all-purpose flour, 150 grams oil. Heat the milk gently until hot, not boiling. Add 5 tablespoons rose water and the brewed saffron to the warm milk. Then set aside. Crack open several green cardamom pods, remove the seeds, and grind them into a fine powder. In a large bowl, crack 5 eggs, add the sugar and a little vanilla. Beat with an electric mixer on high speed for about 6 minutes. Gradually add the oil while mixing. Then slowly pour in the warm saffron milk, mixing until fully combined and smooth. Sift the flour over the batter. Add 1 tablespoon baking powder and the ground cardamom. Gently fold everything together in one direction or mix on low speed for about 30 seconds, just until the batter is smooth and uniform. Grease the bottom of a large cake pan with butter. Pour in the batter, leaving enough room for the cake to rise. Gently swirl a wooden skewer through the batter to release any trapped air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit. For saffron cream topping, mix 1 cup cold milk, 2 heaping tablespoons cornstarch, a little vanilla, brewed saffron, 150 grams heavy cream, a splash of rose water. Whisk everything well. Then place over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons sugar and continue stirring until thickens. Once the cake is baked and completely cooled, carefully flip it over, pour the warm saffron cream on top, and smooth it evenly. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Garnish with silvered pistachios and dried rose petals, a classic Persian finish that adds both beauty and aroma. It's a taste of Persian culture and tradition.